Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create Equalizer preset for headphones QCY T9. You have to start by open QCY application, then go to sound. Right now slide to the left. Oh sorry, not here. Yeah, and click on plus. Now choose the best one for you. Then click Save. Name it and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.